Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a few things. But before we get into the unboxing, if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider smashing that subscribe button, liking the video, sharing out the video to tell others about me, and please leave me a comment because I love interacting with you all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, welcome back. Okay, y'all. So we have a few things that we're going to unbox. I wanted to do it on yesterday's live, but it ain't happening, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get into it. All right. So the first thing that we have is from TechWrap, okay? TechWrap. And this is the, y'all, this better be puff because it's supposed to puff, but this don't look like. Okay, yeah, I see the puff on the bottom now. Okay, because I was gonna be real mad. So this is the puff of glitter puff coffee. So that's a real pretty coffee color. This is the silver. Let's fix this light, y'all. This light is doing too much lighting. Okay, there you go. So that's the silver. I'm going to show y'all that coffee again. That's the coffee. This is the white. Okay, and all of this is glitter puff. And then this is blue? This is angel blue, excuse me. Angel blue puff. So these are super cute. This is the romantic blue. Okay. This is the icy pink. Ooh. This is champagne gold. This is the black. Super cute. And you can see that glitter sparkling through there. And this is the lime. Okay. And then this is the rose gold. Now, to me, there's not much difference between the rose gold and the gold. That's just my opinion. But we all know how some folks will come out with a color that is similar or pretty darn close, and we'll just give it another name to make that extra money. And that's basically what I feel like they have done with the rose gold and the gold. But I will let you know when we get into it. Now, this one is not puff. This is just chameleon vinyl, and this is HTV as well. So this is a purple green HTV. Okay. So that's what we got from TechWrap. Now we are going to get into Brambleberry. Okay, Brambleberry. In this kit, we don't need that. In this kit, this is a coconut body butter that we're going to make. Okay, and you get the instructions. You get 6 of these jars. You get your fragrance oil and your pineapple extract. You got your aloe butter and your arrowroot powder. And then you got your droppers. So you have everything that you need in this kit. Okay? Everything that you need in this kit. So we're going to close this one up. So we're going to be making some coconut wood body butter, okay? So that is one from Brambleberry. This is also from Brambleberry. And this DIY kit here is for us to make salt scrubs, okay? Now your Scrub-a-dub-dub-dub-dub. That's what this is, okay? And you get your avocado oil, your sea salt, your fragrance, your jars, bursting beads, droppers, and then you also get your pink Himalayan salt. Okay? Okay. So yes, there is that. Y'all, I actually have on a shirt that I made last night. Y'all know we jacked it up just a little bit because I was intending to grab the Teflon sheet but did not. And that's okay because we made it into a crop top, okay? We made it into a crop top, so it still looks super cute. All right, anywho, that's neither here nor there, is it? But anyway, I just wanted to, show off the bling. And then this is our next kit from Brambleberry. And this one I'm super, super excited about. It's been a minute since I have worked with goat milk in a soap. And goat milk is one of those just, oh man, it makes the bar feel like just great. So I'm ready to get into this one. This one we'll probably do on a live because it takes, quite some time. And I want to make sure that everybody understands. So you have your directions. You have your mix, okay? You have your sodium hydroxide. You have your goat milk powder. And I have goat milk outside as well. And then this is our titanium dioxide. This is our gloves. This is our fragrance oil and sodium lactate, okay? And then she also included a mold. And if you know anything about Brambleberry molds, oh my God. Oh my God. Love them, okay? Absolutely love Brambleberry molds. I have been soaping for quite some time. I learned how to soap from watching Brambleberry, watching Katie at Royalty Soaps. Now I watch 𝐈𝐷reaming soap, but baby, that ain't my skill level, okay? That ain't my skill level, but she makes some pretty beautiful soaps over at 𝐈𝐷reaming soap. So if you are wanting to learn how to make soap, check out those channels. Katie from Royalty Soap, Brambleberry Anne Marie, and 𝐈𝐷reaming Soap if you want to get more advanced skills in it. I'm trying to think, is there anybody else that I can think of off the top of my head? There is not. But point of the matter is, and I can make soap. I can make your basic bar. I can make it pretty. And when I'm not rushing, I can cut your bar real cute. Okay. But outside of that, so those are what we have for today's unboxing. Oh yeah, and I do want to show y'all this right here. Amazon just sent it in just like a little pack. And on the back of this shirt, of course, we're going to take the moisture out of it and all the things, and we're going to embroider on the back of that, okay? I think that's going to be super cute as well, but so that is something else that we got. Oh, let me show y'all. Because we have so many things in here that we have not unboxed. So let's talk about we're just on a massive unboxing haul, okay? So this is a unicorn, and as y'all know, I told y'all in another video, I ran across this in a video, and the person was saying, oh, how good they were. And then Eve from the Baby's Booty also had these, and then when I saw her do it, I was like, oh, okay, these are real, they work. So then that's when I purchased them. So we have a unicorn, okay? Unicorn. So I try not to buy too many things if it's not coming from well-known established YouTuber. So when Evie said it, I was like, yay, gotta get them. So got a unicorn. We have a doggy, a pug. I had to get my dogs together. Okay. And then this is a sloth. Y'all, I love sloths, okay? I do. I don't know why. I'm a little weird, but I do. Okay. So this is our sloth, okay? And what you do is you embroider on the belly, okay? You embroider on the belly in this area. And then this is what you put back inside of the sloth, okay? So you put this back inside. So yeah, that is our haul. I did do and I did the other 2 hauls on another video. So yeah, so that is our haul. That completes our haul. And until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with your girl. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Bye guys. Catch you in the next one.